Hi guys, today I want to show you a beautiful product, handmade and 100% safe for infants and children. So just let me show you. This is the package that arrived, and I'm speaking about a dummy clip, a really beautiful dummy clip.
Hello baby, look, this is broken, give it to me. It's dangerous baby.
Let me show you the dummy clip. Look, it's so nice. I really love it. I never been so excited about a product. I can see that it's just 100% safe. My son is teething, so he has pain all over the time. And the first thing he's putting in his mouth is just the dummy clip. But let me show you the dummy clip that my baby had until today. Look. And look the difference. Look. You can see this is much bigger and safe, which is what I love of this dummy clip, because it's 100% silicone, so it can never be dangerous. And look at this one instead. It's done by plastic. You can see plastic, and I can tell you that I found my son already once hitting one of these. You can see it's missing, and I was so scared about it that I just removed it from his hand. I never gave it back to him. But let me show you another very important thing for me, is the clip. Oh my god, I bought like 5-6 dummy clips until today, and this clip, it always broke up. Let me show you instead this clip, which is metal and not plastic, and you can see already. It's amazing, and it's obviously covered by silicone again.
Yes baby? Yes. This is nice. It's nice, isn't it? Oh, lovely. Lovely. Yay!
Bye!